Ice cream is the way to go, guys. When you go to your ice cream store, I don't know, I go to the Milk Mermaid. That's my place to go to. I get the cheese ice cream. It's it's not the soft
Wow.
serve, it's the scoop one. So you gotta make sure. I guess that's hard, sir. I don't know.
I don't know
Ethan,
what it is.
shut up. Shut the darn up.
Did you
Shut
you
up!
say
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Look out the window.
Oh my god.
Oh, you mean the little purple guy?
He looks quite sinister to me.
He looks sinister?
He looks medium.
I would argue
Not
that he does look
sinister.
pretty medium right now.
You guys are calling him mid?
Yeah, he's mid.
Yeah, I mean, he's just kind of hanging out there.
Whatever.
Yeah. So what, you use mac and cheese powder for that ice cream?
No. You use the, like, you get...
Order 55, the McBig McNugget, one big McNugget.
Oh, that's me.
And she was like, of course I still have it on my phone. You can't get it back from the App Store. They took it off. And I was like, girl, you crazy.
That sounds just like Fortnite.
Shut up, John.
Hey, guys, wait.
Shut the shart up.
No sharding this time. Look out the window again. It's the mid-man. The purple guy.
Chris, I don't know if you need to keep coming at him like that, man.
You said he was sinister. I think mid is better than sinister.
I don't know, man. He might be sinister, but, I mean,
He's the Conjuring to me.
which one? What Conjuring?
The Conjuring 1.
Yeah, I kinda don't want to be here anymore. He's making me uncomfortable.
Yeah, it's giving me the shivers. Let's slurp out of here. Slurp. Yeah. So my surgery was only like a $1, but if I get scared the next 48 weeks, they go back to normal. So
You get
Right,
scared?
right.
yeah, keep it down, Chris. That's a pretty frightful tone you had.
Yeah, that's my bad.
Your tone is quite frightful, my friend.
You know what's even more frightful is your weird French underwear that you've been showing
Yeah.
off.
Oh la la.
What is up with that?
Kind of smells.
I don't remember.
Oh.
Alright. Here, I'll pay the bill. I'm gonna take this to the counter and I'm gonna pay for us, don't worry. Guys! Guys, he's up here again! Oh god, Jake, your eyes!
Oh,
Your eyes!
man. Man,
Oh,
I
your
can't.
eyes! Oh, your beautiful, beautiful eyes they're ruined. They're ruined.
Everything is 5-dimensional again. Oh, God.
You see in 5 dimensions?
Yeah, what do you see in 7?
I don't know, like 2 or 3? I don't know. We're ignoring the problem here. Let's get out of here!
We ran for an entire day. We need to do something about that weird purple thing.
I bet it's called Purple Schmorp.
I think Jake's right on this one. I think he is called Purple Schmorp.
No. He looks like a Clyde.
Boo.
Don't boo. What? Do you even know a Clyde?
Ethan, I think your aunt is outside through the window and she's wearing the most beautiful purple dress I think I've ever seen.
Really? That's the dog. That's
Purple Schmorp!
from earlier.
It's Purple Schmorp again!
Okay, it's creeping me the fuck out. Why is it? I don't like
Well,
it.
it's
We're not even safe in your aunt's house. Let's get out of here.
What the flip was that about?
Purple Schmorp is ruining our lives. Oh, God.
I haven't had McDonald's in weeks. No Big Mac. No McChicken. Not even the McBig McNugget.
Yeah, and the psychological horror. Oh man, there goes my assassin. I didn't even really have the money to pay him, so I'm glad he fucking fell to his death tragically right here, right now. I won't miss him, and neither will his family. I enjoyed that he fell.
Hey, Ethan. Instead of calling
Uh-huh.
assassins or, doing nuclear missile strikes or whatever,
I wasn't
What?
gonna do that.
I say we have a clean and easy way. Let's send a postcard to our main man, Joey B. Watch and learn, boys. This is how you talk to a mailman. Hello, hot stuff. It's me, Mr. Jake. I'd like this letter sent in the fastest imaginable way. This is a life or death here, buddy.
Yeah, okay, Mr. Jake. Y'all know Joe isn't actually gonna read this, right?
You know reading someone else's mail is a felony, right? Yeah, I've been recording you. Peek it. Yep, you're going to jail. Something tells me Joe Biden won't be getting that letter, as it's now being used as evidence, and I have a court date 3 months and 12 days ahead of me.
Man, this is getting real nerve-wracking. That might have been our last hope against this purple schmorp.
Now the Schmorpy is gonna eliminate us. It's gonna eliminate us, guys.
Ring, 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 ring.
It's gonna. Jake, your phone's
sorry,
ringing.
guys.
Answer the
Jake,
phone.
pick up.
Here we go.
Jake, is that your girlfriend?
No. Look who it is. Oh my god.
It's him!
How did he get my number? Why is he breathing so heavy?
I can't with this anymore. This dude is too scary. Just look at him.
Honestly, I hope he hung up.
Well,
Oh.
at least we don't have to worry about him anymore.
I got a text.
A purple text?
We have to go to Ethan's aunt's house? I guess we have to go. Guys, why did Ethan's aunt call us, and why did she want us here again? What is she at?
That was very clearly the purple schmorp.
What?
Jake, pay attention, man.
Oh, I'm paying attention, Ethan.
Use your eyes, buddy. You gotta get that eye surgery again.
A fake room lever. Okay. Whoa! Okay. My aunt's house isn't real.
What is happening? What's happening?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, I feel green! I can feel it!
What's happening?
Guys! Guys, look at the stage!
What is it? Oh my god.
It's Purple Schmorp!
Purple Schmorp, don't kill us!
It's Ethan's aunt!
No!
He has an M16!
Oh my god!
Guys, I've always loved you!
What?
Hey there, Delilah, what's it like in New York City? I'm 1,000 miles away, but you look so pretty. Yes, you do. Times Square can shine as bright.
Oh my god! He's an awesome singer!
Woo!
Don't you worry about the distance, I'm right there if you get lonely. Give this song another look.
Purple
Purple
Schmorp.
Schmorp.
Purple
Purple
Schmorp.
Schmorp.
Purple
Purple Schmorp.
Schmorp.
Purple
Purple
Schmorp.
Schmorp.
Purple Schmorp.
I'm by your side. I love you guys. I love you guys.
We love you.